Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the places you can find me on social media or Google me. This is the June 2019 Sephora Play Glam Bag Beauty Box, whatever you want to call it. The theme is Destination Beauty. All about, taking vacays and what to pack with you and stuff that you should pack with you and everything to make you have an awesome vacay. Whether you're traveling to the desert, the sea, or an international isle, or just going to the grocery store. Some tips and tricks to make your trip beautiful. Let's get into the products. So, in Destination Beauty, like if you're going to the city, don't forget waterproof black eyeliner, or a lip mask, or sheer foundation if you're going to the desert. It's definitely what you want. If you're going glamping, don't forget your skin cleanser. Just anywhere, even if you're having a staycation. So, pack your bags with beauty that will make any trip a memorable one. Destination Beauty. Wah, wah, wah. So, the bag's orange this month. Work hard, play harder. I like that motto. Let's see what we got here. Oh, and oh. Okay. Tarte foundation. Found Sealer is what it's called. With SPF 20. It's Tarte. If you know me, I had a little problem with a little makeup artist that stole some stuff from me. She liked Tarte. She won't be stealing this. Yeah. So, replenishing some of my Tarte products now. So, it's a sheer to light coverage, which will be great for like those 90-degree days that I'm sure will hit in August. Then we have Laneige. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's lip sleeping mask. So it moisturizes your lips. And then you sleep on it. So I'm excited to put that by my bedside table as part of my wind down routine, as you may have seen in other videos. Then we have Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. It says for an instant vacation, combine soothing coconut water, youth boosting hibiscus, and toning rose, then mist skin like there is no tomorrow. Let's see if it feels like a vacation. It smells soothing. It feels refreshing, so I guess it works. Then we have Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. So it says warm up a generous amount in your fingertips and then massage into the skin with a gentle circular motion. It's really good for taking off eye makeup, and then rinse with warm water or remove with a damp washcloth. And it's got like no scent to it. So excited to try that. A little cleanser. Then we have Sephora Collection All Day Hydrator. Hydrate and Glow. Vitamin E and C. Glycerin. Basically, it's just moisturizer. Yes, there we go. And it's supposed to be weightless. Let's find out. Oh yes, very, very water-based. Very light. It will pair well with the foundation. I love that the Sephora, they try to make it a theme and pair everything really nicely. Then the bonus this month is Klorane Anti-Pollution Shampoo and Conditioner with Aquatic Mint. So it's supposed to detox and purify your hair, which if you haven't noticed, my hair's a different color now. So, you know, gotta color safe, protect, and, you know, not get pollution. Anyway, Destination Beauty, have a little staycation with this. And until next time, follow me and stay beautiful.